Hey guys, it's Ro and I'm back on YouTube to do another tutorial. This week I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cloud slime. This is by far the hardest slime to make in my opinion, so I just decided to do a tutorial on how to make it. And yes, I have done a cloud slime tutorial in the past, but I have recently updated my recipe, so I just wanted to show you guys how I make it now. Without further ado, let's just get started. So first off, you will need something to mix with as well as something to mix in. You will also need some school glue. Make sure that it's school glue and not other types of glue because the outcome will turn out differently. This is instant snow and it is the most important ingredient when making cloud slime. And lastly, you will need an activator of some sort. I'm just using borax solution. So first off, you want to go in with your glue and add as much as you want. I think I added around a half a cup of glue. And then just go in with your activator and mix the two compounds until the slime starts to form. And once you get to this stage, you just want to pick up the little glob in your bowl and start kneading until the slime forms a good texture like this. So it did take a lot of kneading to get to this point, but I think it does make a really nice base for the cloud slime. So now you just want to go in with your snow, and I added about 4 spoons here, but you definitely need some more later. And then you want to go in with some water and activate the snow. I think I used about 3 ounces of water, and definitely remember not to oversaturate the snow, because that can lead to a bad cloud slime. So here's what my snow looks like, if you're wondering. So just kind of replicate this texture. This is the perfect one for making cloud slime. And then you just want to dunk your slime into your snow, and just keep in mind that you really need to knead this because the snow will not stick to the slime in the beginning, so you really have to get in there with your hands and just work the snow into the slime. This is what my cloud slime looks like freshly made, and as you can see, I definitely did not add enough snow even though I used the entire bowl. So if this happens to you as well, just add in some dry instant snow, so just don't activate it with water. And also another tip is that if you find that your cloud slime is crumbling, just add in some activator because it most likely means that your slime is underactivated. Waiting a few days before playing with your cloud slime is recommended because, as you can see, the drizzles are not too great when the slime is freshly made, but it does get a lot better after you wait a few days. So that concludes today's video. I know it wasn't really long, but I really hope it helped you guys. And if you did enjoy it, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more content just like this. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified every time we post a new video. Additionally, we have an Etsy shop, which is going to be the first link in our description box, and we sell cloud slimes and a whole bunch of other slimes. We also have an Instagram where we post slime videos as well. So that's all for today, and bye!